Yay. Now, do you see a product rule here? Do you know we have this derivative already? Isn't it itself? So can I save myself a lot of work and not derive this again when we do product rule? It's kind of weird, but we already have it. Here we go. Can I take the 2 pi, put it on the side? Is that okay? Derive this. Don't you first start with deriving this? Isn't that just itself? Because remember, isn't that what we started with? So isn't that the same? So can we just write the whole thing? It's kind of stupid, kind of weird, but it's taken care of. So it's 2 pi secant squared pi x tangent pi x. That's the first piece. That's just this piece, is all that. Then, don't you just write tangent pi x? That's the first piece. Plus, leave the first piece. Times, what's the derivative of tangent pi x? Well, tangent is secant squared, but don't you leave pi x? Isn't this a chain rule? The secant squared pi x, but don't you have to derive the pi inside? You also have to derive and multiply by pi. This is the chain rule. It's secant squared pi x times pi. And let's simplify this down. It looks like I'm going to leave the 2 pi here for a second. I'm going to bring this together. It looks like I have 2 pi secant squared pi x, and it looks like I have a tangent squared pi x, plus here it looks like I have secant fourth, and then times pi. Okay. Any GCFs? It looks like for both of these, don't I have a pi and don't I actually have a secant squared? So can I bring out the pi and multiply it by this pi? So I have 2 pi squared. I can bring a pi out of both of these, bring it out, multiply that pi. Don't I also have a secant squared in both of these? And then what's left? Well, I have a 2 here. I took a secant squared out, so I don't need that, but I still need the tangent. Plus, here, if I took a secant squared out of this, I still have a secant squared left. That looks like it'd be the answer. Beautiful. Just kidding. Now, you could possibly deal with this somehow, but we're not going to. That's a good enough answer.